let's put them at 90 degrees. Let's actually put them in a V and see how that changes the output. It's about 93 dB. Once again, it should be very similar. I mean, we don't have a lot of cancellation. You've got great mutual coupling. I mean, you may have a little bit of loss because of the gap in the center. But for the most part, not a huge difference in output. Now for the one I really like to do, because this is the one I hear all the time. People say, you cannot fire woofers at each other because they cancel. Well, do you think they do or do you think they don't? So you can't fire woofers right at each other because they're out of polarity and they cancel. Well, let's go ahead and do that right now. That's what we come up with. Once again, about the same output. Got 92 dB, which that might just be because they're farther away from the microphone now since they're spaced out. But they really don't cancel at all. Let's push them closer together and see what we get. Same output. So it does not matter which direction you face them. Now, if I had a microphone behind me, we would actually hear the same thing. Bass is non-directional, so you get the same sound pretty much all around that speaker. Go ahead and put them back at 90 degrees again. I'm getting too far away from this. 93. Put them side by side. 93. Spaced apart. 92. We lost that mutual coupling. Face them at each other. No change in output. All right. So from 92 dB to 78. So 14 dB loss in output. Let's put them at the 90 degree again. We gained a dB in output. Once again, even though they're side by side, they're coupling together a little bit better, which is actually not what I expected. I expected to actually go down another dB. But it actually went up a dB or so. Side by side, still at 79. Still at 79. Put them back in phase. Back up to 92. Fun, isn't it? Because I've always wanted to do that. And until this show came about, we never had the capabilities of doing something like that. And I don't know why I hadn't thought of it long before. One day it was like, hey, we need some ideas for the show. And it's like, why don't we do the box thing? I've always wanted to see it, and I've always wanted to do it where you could actually prove the theory, which is pretty much what I think we've done tonight.